What if I told you that age doesn't have to mean slowing down? That there are men in their 60s, 70s, and even 90s who still wake up every day with the fire of youth burning inside them? Meet three living legends: Clint Eastwood, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Tom Cruise. They've defied time, redefined aging, and built lifestyles that keep them looking and moving, decades younger than they are. But here's the truth no one talks about. It's not luck. It's not good genetics. It's a lifetime of choices. Every meal, every morning, every mindset, built with purpose. While most men their age retire, slow down, and surrender to comfort, these three keep pushing limits. They work when others rest. They train when others complain. And they keep their focus razor sharp when others lose sight of what matters. Clint Eastwood, at 94, still wakes before sunrise, directing films and walking with the posture of a man half his age. Arnold Schwarzenegger, 78, still lifts, rides his bike, and preaches discipline as if he's training for another Mr. Olympia. And Tom Cruise, 63, sprinting, flying, performing death-defying stunts with that same fearless grin the world fell in love with decades ago. They don't escape age, they evolve with it, because they understand one thing: you don't stop when you grow old. You grow old when you stop. These three men are living proof that you can rewrite the rules of aging. And today, we'll uncover exactly how they do it, what they eat, what they avoid, and how they keep their bodies and minds younger than ever. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know the daily habits that keep these legends ageless. And you'll decide for yourself who's truly mastered the art of staying young: Clint Eastwood, Arnold Schwarzenegger, or Tom Cruise. Clint Eastwood, the quiet power of simplicity. Clint Eastwood, at 94, is more than an actor or director. He's a symbol of timeless strength. Even now, he moves with calm, steady energy. No fancy routines, no drama, just pure discipline. Clint's secret is simplicity. He's followed a clean diet and minimalist lifestyle for decades. He once said, "I never overeat, I stay away from sugar, and I don't drink too much." What Clint eats: his meals are light, natural, and portion-controlled. Breakfast is usually oatmeal or yogurt with fruit. Sometimes an egg or two. Lunch might be a piece of grilled fish or chicken breast with steamed vegetables. Dinner, often something small: soup, salad, or lean protein with rice. He avoids snacking mindlessly and focuses on nutrient quality, not quantity. Foods Clint avoids: refined sugar, processed carbs, alcohol in excess, and heavy red meat. He believes these things slow the body down, and at his age, every choice counts. Training and physical routine. Clint doesn't hit the gym for hours. Instead, he walks daily, plays golf, and practices light bodyweight exercises. He also meditates, spends time outdoors, and values peace of mind over intensity. For Clint, movement is medicine, not punishment. Longevity, mindset. He once said, "Don't let the old man in." That's his entire philosophy. He keeps doing what he loves: directing, writing, creating. Purpose is his real anti-aging secret. He lives proof that strength isn't just in your muscles, it's in your mind. Arnold Schwarzenegger, the machine that never stops. Arnold Schwarzenegger is 78 years old, but still trains like a man half his age. The former Mr. Olympia, movie star, and California governor continues to push the limits of what the human body can do after 70. Arnold's diet. Arnold has transformed his eating over the years. In his bodybuilding days, he consumed heavy amounts of meat and protein. But today, he eats mostly plant-based meals. His typical day: breakfast, oatmeal with almond milk, chia seeds, and a banana. Lunch, salad with chickpeas, lentils, and quinoa. Dinner, a vegetable stir-fry, sometimes with eggs or salmon. He calls it a mostly vegan diet, not 100% plant-based, but focused on reducing inflammation and boosting heart health. Foods Arnold avoids: processed meats, fried foods, sugary snacks, and too much dairy. He's been outspoken about the dangers of high cholesterol and inflammation as we age. Workout and physical routine. Arnold still trains every morning. His workouts include weight training, cycling, and long walks with his dog. He says movement is non-negotiable, even if it's light. Every day you must move. The worst thing you can do is nothing. He focuses on high-rep strength work now, not heavy loads. He believes in joint-friendly training, stretching, and consistency, mindset and longevity. Secret: Arnold's biggest anti-aging secret isn't just his training, it's his optimism. He wakes up with purpose, makes his bed, eats clean, and keeps creating. He writes daily newsletters, encourages older men to train smart, and reminds everyone that aging well is a choice. He says, "You can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in your pockets." And even now, he's still climbing. Tom Cruise, the relentless daredevil. At 63, Tom Cruise still performs his own stunts. He runs faster than actors half his age and maintains the energy of a man in his 30s. How? Through structure, strict discipline, and total body care. Tom Cruise's diet. Tom eats like an athlete. His chef once revealed that he follows a high-protein, low-calorie plan, around 1,200 to 1,500 calories per day when filming. Every meal is clean: grilled chicken, fish, egg whites, brown rice, vegetables, and fruit. He avoids carbs late in the day and cuts out refined sugar completely. Foods Tom avoids: sugar, fried foods, white bread, and junk snacks. He once said he doesn't even eat birthday cake during movie shoots. That's how serious he is. Workout routine. Tom mixes functional training, resistance work, and cardio. He runs, climbs, swims, cycles, and practices martial arts. Every role he plays becomes part of his physical preparation. Mission Impossible, Top Gun, you name it. He trains for performance, not just looks. Mindset and longevity secret. Tom's key habit is intensity. He believes that your energy comes from your enthusiasm, not your age. He surrounds himself with younger trainers, keeps learning new physical skills, and pushes himself to evolve with each film. As one of his trainers said, Tom's secret is simple. He never stops moving, never stops learning, and never loses curiosity. His youth is not just physical, it's emotional. He wakes up every day chasing excitement, not comfort. What they have in common: the 3 pillars of ageless living. When you look at Clint Eastwood, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Tom Cruise, they may seem completely different. But dig deeper, and their habits share 3 powerful foundations that keep them ageless. 1. Movement every day. None of them skip movement, whether it's Clint's walks, Arnold's training, or Tom's stunts. Motion keeps their bodies young and their minds sharp. 2. Clean, consistent nutrition. They all eat whole, natural foods. They avoid sugar, processed junk, and overeating. Their diets are built on balance and purpose, not restriction. 3. Lifelong purpose and passion. They never retired from life. Clint still directs movies at 94. Arnold still motivates millions to train. Tom still risks his life to perform stunts. They wake up each day with a mission, and that sense of purpose fuels longevity more than any supplement. The real reason they never get old. Here's the truth. These 3 men didn't find a fountain of youth. They built one. They trained their bodies, they disciplined their minds, and they never stopped dreaming, even when the world told them to slow down. Clint Eastwood fights aging with peace and purpose. Arnold Schwarzenegger conquers it with structure and positivity. Tom Cruise outruns it with passion and energy. Each man has a different path, but one shared truth: age doesn't define you. Habits do. Final message to viewers 50+. If you're watching this and you're over 50, remember this: it's never too late to start living younger. You don't need to be a movie star to age like one. Start with one habit: eat better. Move every day. Find something that excites you again, because youth isn't lost, it's reclaimed. Clint Eastwood, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Tom Cruise have all proven it. The question now is, which one inspires you the most? The calm wisdom of Clint Eastwood, the unstoppable energy of Arnold, or the fearless drive of Tom Cruise? Comment below and tell us which legend motivates you the most. And if you want to discover more celebrity longevity secrets, subscribe now, hit that bell icon, and join the Stronger After 60 community, because your best years might just be ahead of you. Which of these 3 legends do you think ages the best? Clint, Arnold, or Tom? Comment below. Tell us which legend you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to the Stronger After 60 community. Your best years are still ahead.